Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has presented the 2024 annual budget estimates of 714.4 billion naira to the State House of Assembly. Governor Oborevwori, while presenting the budget estimates tagged Budget of Hope and Optimism recently at the State House of Assembly, assured Deltans of his administration's determination to support the poor and vulnerable, as well as champion key infrastructure renewal in the state.
The 714.4 billion naira appropriation bill, tagged Budget of Hope and Optimism, is in line with the administration's resolve to ensure sustainable economic growth and rapid infrastructural renewal, such as the construction of critical roads to link the interior parts of the state to the city centers, as well as to provide abundant opportunities for all Deltans as captured in the MORE agenda. The budget has a projected capital expenditure of 395.9 billion naira, representing about 56%, which is expected to finance the improvement of critical infrastructure across every sector in the state, while recurrent expenditure is to gov 316.6 billion naira, representing 44% of the entire budget, to allow for effective service delivery in governance. Governor Oborevwori, while calling for the swift passage of the bill, reiterated his administration's resolve to ensure probity in management of state resources as enshrined in the policies of Open Governance Partnership Initiative.
The 2024 budget is anchored on the principle of open governance as its implementation strategy, which will promote transparency, accountability, and efficient and effective delivery services to citizens.
For his part, Speaker of the State House of Assembly, Right Honorable MAMODE, noted that the legislative arm of government would partner the executive to meet the yearnings of Deltans, while calling for the cooperation of ministries, departments and agencies to ensure smooth passage of the proposed appropriation bill.
The Assembly is mindful of the prevailing economic situation of our country. It is our hope that the 2024 appropriation bill will consolidate on the recorded achievements of previous financial years and lay a solid foundation for the takeoff of the MORE agenda. The promise to be thorough and expeditious in our consideration of this budget for the prosperity of our people.
In a related development, Governor Sheriff Oborevwori, while inaugurating members of some boards of government institutions and agencies at the Government House Asaba recently, charged them to work collaboratively with the management of their respective institutions and agencies in fulfilling its mandate in line with the policy thrust of his administration. The newly inaugurated members of the board of government institutions and agencies, who are believed to be men and women of impeccable character and good understanding of governance issues, are expected to provide outstanding leadership in their respective agencies in line with the policy thrust of the administration for a progressive Delta state.
Inside the Niger Delta,